What's up, guys? Welcome to Maimo, Cameroon's fastest growing furniture manufacturing company. My name is Leonie.
And this is Sonita.
And guys, we have two TV stands to present. This is the first one and the second one over here. So which one do you start with?
I'm going to talk about this beautiful
piece. Take it away.
With two beautiful colors. We have the wood formica and the complete white.
Yes.
This piece has solid knobs and good spacious cabinets for you to store whatever you want to store in here. Private things, documents, whatever you want to put in here, guys, it's up to you.
That's
we
right.
have clean, sharp, spacious enough. And this piece is 2 meters long by 35 to fit into your living room, your apartment, or even your offices. Strong, durable Cameroon wood, well treated. And this piece is suitable for you to have the balance that your TV deserves.
Man, what I really like about this piece, first of all, is the fact that it's very large, okay? Meaning that it has this imposing, nature. And then the knobs, on the other hand, are made with aluminium, meaning that it's never going to rust. These are aluminium knobs, okay? And then if you look in here, we have catches that will help to hold this up so it doesn't fall off. So even if you have kids in the house, they won't easily get this to fall off. So this is an amazing piece. And on this side, we have another marble finish for my cutter with push-open doors that go sideways. Sonny, what do you like about this?
Well, this piece, I just like the fact that it brings out that clarity in the home. It brings out that brightness.
Yep, it brightens up the room, right?
Brightens up the home.
Yeah,
and
yeah.
It's beautifully made still, and it can fit into any interior space. Any interior style
blends
or
with any
design,
color.
blends with anything.
Yep.
So the piece is just marvelous, and as well, it's very lengthy.
Yeah.
So you don't have to be worried about the size of your TV set, guys, because it can go in small or large TV sets. What do you have to say about this one?
I think it's absolutely stunning in white because, like she said, it blends with any color. And we can have this done in 1.50 meters. Guys, don't forget, we make all our furniture with good Cameroonian wood that is treated. Sonny, do you want to precise on that fact? A lot of people think this is imported stuff.
Guys, we don't deal with compressed wood. We deal with solid Cameroon wood.
Yep.
And we treat them with chemical products that will make them last. So you don't have to bother about anything eating up your cupboards or eating up your wood, but it's stable and it can last for as long as you're going to use it.
So start believing in made in Cameroon because we are changing the narratives completely, and let's together develop the Africa that we love. We don't just make, TV stands. We do also furniture like sofas.
We do dining tables.
We do kitchen fittings.
We do walk-in closets.
Office furniture.
We do conference tables.
We do hospital furniture.
We do even your gyms.
That's right. Whatever furniture you want for any space, we can make it installed anywhere in Cameroon. My name is Leonie.
And I'm Sonita.
Peace.
And ciao.